Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable TalkBack on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on shortcuts and accessibility. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, just tap on TalkBack. Now from here, just enable TalkBack. Now from here, just tap on allow.
TalkBack. Back. Button. Double tap to activate.
Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled TalkBack. Now to use TalkBack, just tap on the action you want to do. For example, I will go to the home screen.
Button. Window navigation bar. Tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press.
Now from here, just double tap.
System home screen. Home. Button. Google. Double tap and hold to tap and hold.
Just double tap to go to your home screen. Now from here, to swipe on your screen, just swipe with two fingers. Just like that.
Page 1 of 3. Page 3 of 3. Tick, tick, album, block, black. Vivo
Just
store.
like that.
Google. Double tap to activate. System home screen. Google. Double tap and hold to tap and hold.
Now from here, to disable TalkBack, just open the settings app.
Settings. OneNote. TalkBack. Back. Button.
Now from here, double tap
On.
to disable
Pop-up
TalkBack.
window. Turn on TalkBack. Out of list.
Now from here, just tap on turn off.
Turn off. Button. TalkBack off.
And this is how you can enable TalkBack on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.